Hi everyone. Today we are making, me and my grandchildren making Gulab Jamun dessert. They love Gulab Jamun. They want to help grandmother. Let's start the process. I added this small cup. This is three-quarter cup. Added 3 sugar. I'm adding 3 water. Boiling now. I'm adding for the flavor cardamom pieces. Let boil this sugar syrup. You put high temperature to boil the sugar syrup. Once you start boiling, and then put on medium flame for cook for 4 to 5 minutes and keep it silent. Just mix, let it boil. Start boiling. For the Gulab Jamun mix, this is 2 tablespoons semolina, fine semolina. This is a quarter teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons plain flour. With this tablespoon, I used it. Just sieve it. I'm using with this same cup 4 cups of milk powder. One, two, 3, 4 cups of milk powder. Sieve the milk powder, no balls, and mix with the cold milk, fresh milk. Sugar syrup is ready, so I am putting aside now. Mix nicely semolina, plain flour, milk powder. We add slowly fresh milk, full cream milk. Mix it. Do not add too much at a time. Mix like this milk powder. Also add 1 tablespoon ghee. Mix milk powder with ghee nicely. Now like crumble, adding some more milk. Do not make too much loose. A little bit more. I'm using this fresh milk. My dough is like this, not too hard, not too soft, so easy to make. Roll the Gulab Jamuns like this. Okay, covering that. Okay, it's been resting 10 minutes. The Gulab Jamun dough. I started pan on, added some oil to deep fry the Gulab Jamuns. Oil is becoming hot now. After when it gets hot, and put into slow flame. And in the slow flame, start frying the gulab jamuns. Apply little oil or ghee to the and start making. एक कपड़ा गुलाब जामुन start frying. The oil is medium hot. Low heat. Just fry them few minutes on very low heat. Just turn if they don't roll it. It's now right color gulab jamun. I'm dropping in the syrup. Do the same on the rest of the dough. Let them fry couple of minutes. This gulab jamun just soak for few minutes, and when it is ready, just transfer into dish. They are ready. How soft it is. Very soft gulab jamuns. Going to finish it and show it to you all. Next batch is getting ready. Little bit need to become a brown color to fry it. We are ready now. Dropping in the syrup. Dropping another batch. These are ready. Soaking in warm syrup for 2 minutes. Here is tasty gulab jamuns. I'm going to show it you all how it looks. How tasty, how soft looking. Very soft gulab jamun. How it is nice. Yummy?
Yeah.
Your yummy tasty homemade gulab jamun recipe is ready. I hope you all going to like this recipe. If you all like, please do not forget to like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.